Hi, my name is Edison. I'm from Canada, and here I'm going to talk about my hair loss journey. So it started about 3-4 years ago. I would say probably during the pandemic period. It was pretty tough because throughout my younger days, hair was a really big part of my physique, my outward appearance. And so losing my hair, does put a little bit of a setback to kind of how you perceive yourself and things like that. So I think it affected me to the point where I, did want to consider, looking at some alternatives at regrowing my hair and restoring my hair. And a hair transplant was one of them. It was one of those options. I was curious about the SMP treatment because I wanted to see if there was a temporary solution that could probably address my needs. My hair originally was not losing it at a rate that I thought it would, and I felt an SMP treatment would be sufficient. That's kind of why I went with it. I think it was mostly because my hair started shedding more than I had anticipated. I think it was a combination of a lot of different factors. Stress was a big one of them. I was also going through a lot of transition in my career, and that was also a big part of it. And I really was looking for more of a permanent solution, and I felt the hair transplant would be probably the easiest and the quickest, and it certainly was easy and quick. I would say that my overall experience at Hair of Istanbul was very quick. It was very professional. In fact, just thinking about the experience that I came when I first, it was a really short period in Istanbul, but it was a very, very professional one. And I think if you are considering it, compared to what you can get back home, at least in Canada, it really rivals that. So I thought it was a very, very good experience, and it certainly was worth it.